Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix REPO Custom Authentication Failed error. So let's get started. First, head towards the repo.exe file, right click on it and choose Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. From here, check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode and also check Run this program as an administrator. Once both are ticked, click Apply and then hit OK. Next, go back to the desktop screen. Here, search for Command Prompt in the Start menu, right click on it and choose Run as an administrator. We're going to type in a few commands, so just follow along. Start with the first command, net sh windsock reset, and press enter. Then the second command, net sh ip reset, and hit enter. Again, finally, the third command, ipconfig flush dns, and press enter one more time. Once you have run all three, go ahead and close the command prompt. Now, you will need to restart your PC. After the restart, open the start menu again and type network. Click on view network connections and wait for the window to load. Find your active internet connection, whether it's Ethernet or Wi-Fi, right click on it and choose properties. In the list, look for Internet Protocol version 4TCP/IP4 and click on it, then hit properties. In the window that opens, select use the following DNS server addresses for the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8 and for the alternate center 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the change. Now just restart your PC again and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.